Hey everybody, it is Sam over at Grounded. Happy April 15th. Normally would be tax day, but not this year because we're in a little bit of a different world right now. So just wanted to do a quick market update for you guys, let you know what's going on out there. Some really interesting data to look at, so I'm going to jump right in. If you look here, we actually passed our previous peak median price. So back in August of 2005, our median price was 392,000. Last month we passed it at 397,000, and this month we are at 400,000. So, we should have our party hats on. Things are looking great, right? But we'll get to that in a little bit. Also, inventory is at again, really low level, 1.4 months of inventory. That was the same as last year. So inventory still tight, but I wanted to jump into some of these other numbers because the market's just really shifted right now. Really since what we're going to call March 12th, that's when the NBA canceled their season. I was at that game. Everything just kind of got really weird after that, and we noticed some drop-offs in the market. So the slide I have up here is the weekly median price and sales volume. So you can see it really starts to kind of drop off after that March 12th week. So the numbers we were just looking at were for March, but that doesn't reflect what was actually happening in the market right now. The sales that closed in March, of those, only 2.9% went into contract after March 12th. So really the sales, the median price is a real lagging indicator, and it's at best 30-day lag, but typically about a 60-day lag. So when we get the May and June numbers, those contracts should have occurred after the March 12th sort of cutoff that we're using. So those will be really telling, so stay tuned for that. Right now we've got what we're really wanting to look at to see current market conditions is the number of listings and the number of pendings, and really sales is a little bit lag, but 40% fewer listings is what we have on the market right now, and 40% fewer pendings. So the volume is dropping, but so is the inventory. So listings, the available inventory is down. So there's also fewer homes going into market and fewer homes closing. But we haven't seen a fall off in pricing quite yet. So we'll keep an eye on that. Also, just so we can see year over year, what we have here is in the gray line here is last year's 2019's listings, and this is for the region: Sacramento, Placer, Yolo, El Dorado County. The red line is 2020s, so you can see, really since again that March 12th, we were above last year, and now we're below. Things got really weird. They tightened up for probably the first couple of weeks right after March 12th. We are still seeing that spring market kind of come to life right now. So we expect that red line to trend up a little bit, but things are definitely different right now. These are just quick final thoughts. Like I said before, May and June numbers will be more telling and reflect what happened previously. Another interesting trend right now is that lending is really tightening. So especially VA and FHA, those FICO scores are going to ratchet up higher, and also there's going to be more strict review of the verification of employment. And we expect to see that kind of tightening up. It has to do with, liquidity in the market, the ability to sell these loans. But if you want to get wonky and talk about that, call me. But really, like I said before, we are seeing a strong spring market right now. So 43% of those pendings since March 12th have received multiple offers. I've seen it in my sales. So it's maybe not, the 5, 6, 7 multiple offers that we had. Maybe it's more like 2 or 3. But we are still seeing those multiple offers. There are still people in the marketplace that need to buy and that need to sell. And also, Grounded's here. We're still working. We're essential. We're doing it as responsibly as we can. I am in my office right now. I'm here all alone. Most of us are staying at home, but if you do need to see something, if you need to buy or sell, we've got new methods to our madness that will help you do that in this post-COVID world. And if you just need anything, we're here. If you want to chat about real estate or life or what we're seeing out there, or if you need a roll of toilet paper or a cup of coffee, call me up. We'll get it over to you. So I hope you guys are doing well. I hope this was valuable information. We'll try to do more market updates as things progress. Instead of doing a monthly, maybe we'll do a quick weekly market update. But call us if you want to chat about this more, or if you want to get your hands on these stats. Big shout out to Ryan Lundquist. These are his graphs that I was showing you earlier. He does almost a daily market update, it seems. So if you really want to track the numbers, follow his blog at Sacramento Appraisal Blog. Just a wealth of knowledge. So again, thank you, Ryan, for the information. All right, hope everybody's happy and healthy, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye.